Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, one is taking a closer look at a rather essential accessory for anyone utilizing the Tascam DR-05 or DR-07 MkII digital audio recorders, the yanw Fite ON 5FT Mini USB cable. This particular cable is presented as 100% brand new and of high quality, a claim that certainly sets a positive expectation right from the start. The primary function of this cable is to provide a reliable and efficient connection, and it does so by adhering to the high-speed USB 2 standard. For users, this translates directly into swift data transfers, whether one is offloading recorded audio files to a computer or perhaps updating firmware on their Tascam device. The speed ensures that workflow remains uninterrupted and efficient, a crucial aspect for audio professionals and enthusiasts alike. Delving into the physical specifications, the cable features a male connector on one end, which is the standard port found on most computers, laptops, and USB wall adapters. On the other end, it boasts a USB Mini 5-pin male connector, specifically designed to interface seamlessly with the Tascam DR-05 and DR-07 MkII models. This precise compatibility means users can trust it to fit perfectly without any fuss or concern about loose connections. With a generous length of 5 feet, this cable offers a practical reach for various setups. Whether the recorder is placed on a desk, connected to a laptop, or even linked to a power source a short distance away, the 5FT length provides ample flexibility without creating excessive clutter. It strikes a good balance between reach and manageability. The cable itself comes in a classic black color, which is both discreet and professional, blending well with most electronic devices and environments. The brand, yanw, emphasizes the quality and high-speed capabilities of this USB cable. It is designed to be a straightforward, dependable solution for connecting one's valuable audio recorder. The focus here is on providing a consistent and stable link, ensuring that data integrity is maintained during transfers, and that the device can be powered or charged effectively through the USB connection. One unit is provided, making it a direct replacement or a primary cable for new users. Overall, for those seeking a dedicated, high-quality, and perfectly compatible USB cable for their Tascam DR-05 or DR-07 MkII, this yanw Fite ON offering appears to be a very solid choice, promising both performance and reliability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.